Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the topic on single phase AC circuits. So we'll take a subtopic analysis of pure resistive circuit. The circuit diagram is shown in figure. Now consider a circuit having a resistance of R ohm connected across a AC supply. Here the AC voltage is denoted by V is equal to Vm sin omega t. This small v is nothing but the instantaneous value of the voltage and Vm is the maximum value of the voltage. Now when the supply is given to the circuit, current will flow through the circuit and denoted here by small letter I. This is the instantaneous value. The current can be found by using Ohm's law, that is V is equal to I is equal to V by R. Now you substitute V is equal to Vm sin omega t divided by R, which can be written as Im sin omega t. Now you compare the equation for voltage and current. We have taken voltage as Vm sin omega t, current as Im sin omega t. Comparing equation 1 and 2, you can see here V has sin omega t and current has sin omega t. It means both the vectors V and I are in phase. So current is in phase with voltage for pure resistive circuit. This is one inference. Now we will find out instantaneous power consumed by the resistance, that is given by P is equal to V into I. Now we will substitute Vm sin omega t I as Im sin omega t. We can write Vm sin square omega t, or you can replace sin square term with cos term, that is 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2. Now we'll split the term Vm Im by 2 minus Vm Im cos 2 omega t by 2. This is the instantaneous power. If you look at both the terms, one is Vm Im by 2 and Vm Im cos 2 omega t. This term is periodically varying term whose average value over a period of time is 0. So you can write the average power is Vm by 2 Im by root 2, or P is equal to V into I, where our V is the RMS value of the voltage, which is nothing but maximum by root 2, and I is the RMS value of current, which is Im by root 2. Now we'll draw the waveform for current, voltage and power. So this we will take it as voltage waveform. Now current waveform is in phase with voltage. Now product of this current and voltage will give the power waveform. So this green waveform indicates the instantaneous power waveform. Now we look into the question. An AC circuit consists of a pure resistance of 10 ohm and is connected across AC supply of 230 volt 50 Hz. Calculate current, power consumed, equations for voltage and current. So first we'll write down the given parameters. It's a pure resistive circuit which is connected across a AC supply. The R value here is 10 ohm. This is connected across 230 volt 50 Hz supply. So F value is 50. Here RMS value of the voltage is 230 volt. Since it's a pure circuit, you can find out the RMS value of current. I is equal to V by R, that is 230 divided by 10. We will get 23 amps. So first part is over. Now power consumed. Power consumed, P is equal to V into I. V is 230 volt and I is 23 amps. So we will get 5290 watt. Now equations for voltage. Voltage equation is given by V is equal to Vm sin omega t. We'll calculate first Vm. Vm, we know that Vm is equal to root 2 times V. So we'll multiply root 2 into 230, which is equal to 325.2 volt. So omega is given by 2 pi into f, which is equal to 2 pi into f is 50, that is the frequency. We'll get 2 into pi into 50 is equal to 314 radians per second. Now we'll write the equation. Therefore V is equal to Vm is 325.2 sine of omega is 314 t. Similarly, for the current, equation is given by I is equal to Im sine omega t. We'll calculate first Im. Im is root 2 into I. So it is root 2 times 23 amps. So we'll get it as root 2 into 23. We'll get 32.5 amps. So we'll write in the form of equation I is equal to 32.5 sine of 314 t is the equation for current.